Customize the command prompt. Hi everyone, I'm Leo Notenboom for askleo.com. I spend a fair amount of time in the command prompt, and I know a number of other people do as well. It's a pretty powerful environment, but the default command prompt never looks the way I want it to. As it turns out, it's highly customizable. I'll show you a few tricks. First, we'll go ahead and fire up a command prompt. There are so many different ways. What I'm just going to do is hit Windows key R and type cmd. That gives us the default command prompt with its default configuration. What I want is for the default command prompt to look a little different than this. So what we're going to do then is click on the System menu and click on Defaults. The System menu is the upper left-hand corner menu item on any window, specifically the command prompt window here. We'll click on Defaults. Now we'll find we can change a large number of things. I'm going to change a couple of things at random, some not so random. For example, the buffer of the command history can be larger. I'll make that 300. Then we'll go take a look at font, and we'll change the font. Font is one of the things that I actually change on a lot of different command prompts. I want to make the font bigger. You can see the example down here at the bottom. Font itself is fine. However, you can use a different font if you like. Here's a Lucida console. And you can also select bold fonts. My approach here is to have things to be as readable as possible. So by selecting a larger font, a slightly different font, and then using bold instead of the plain. Next, in layout, these settings are actually less important in Windows 10 than they were in previous versions, because you can now change the width of your window just by clicking and dragging the side. But if you wanted to change the default size of the window for when it comes up, you can see here I've changed my default now to be 132 by 50. The screen buffer will actually match that, so we're not going to worry about that much. And we let the system position the window. Colors, we have colors. We can change lots of colors. I want the screen text to be white. This is not white, as it turns out. So what I'm going to change that to be is, now it's a hard white color. We'll change the screen background just to show that it can be done. I'm going to change the screen background to be blue, and we'll leave the pop-up colors and so forth themselves. The opacity is just how much of what's behind the window can be shown through the window. I don't find that very useful for command prompts, so we'll leave it that way. So I've made all these changes and nothing's changed. Well, we'll close command prompt and we'll run it again. And now you can see it's come up at the new size with the new font and the new colors as the default setting. That's something to play with in Windows Command Prompt. If you do spend any time in Command Prompt, I suggest you play with the settings and tailor it to the way you like things to look. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.